My name's David Jones. My role within Barrier Group is one of a few account managers. I predominantly look after the state of Victoria as well as New Zealand. If you can't already tell, I'm a Kiwi, born and bred. Moved over here 2 years ago with my partner, who's Australian born, and decided to move back to be closer to a family. In my typical day-to-day job, there's so many moving parts. We always try to be proactive, and sometimes we're reactive, and sometimes we have to balance between the both. So one day or no 2 days are ever the same, really. I guess the main thing to focus on is the relationships and our key customers that we tend to manage on a day-to-day basis, as well as trying to source new business. So I guess we're sort of juggling between managing emails, inbound phone calls, as well as site visits to do site measures and discuss safety solutions for our clients as well. So with regards to the process of these initial site, I guess a site measure, basically it all comes down to the lead. Now the lead could be through repeat business, where a client that we're looking after has multiple sites in Victoria, or opening a new site, or it could be I guess an inquiry that comes through our internal sales team. And basically, I guess one point of difference with Barrier Group is what I've found is that we react really quickly as well. Yes, it's all about asking the right questions at that initial point of contact as well, so that we can prepare ourselves when we do go to site. What we're in line for in terms of what they're looking for in terms of the best solution for their site installation. There's two levels of site visits when we do an initial measure. Obviously we deal with a lot of brand new warehouses. When you walk into the warehouse, it's like a blank canvas. So we're initially having to quote off drawings, CAD drawings and plans, which can be difficult at times because there is going to be a lot of variations from the initial consultation right through to the end of the process. So generally speaking, it's to get an idea of what they want, what's going to be fit for purpose. What's the level of vehicle activity and pedestrian activity at the same point, and trying to understand what they're trying to achieve. When we do go to site and do the initial consultation, have the quotation sent to the client and after being prepared, that can change multiple times. When we get to do the installation, things can change during the installation as well. So again, it's really important that as an account manager we ask the right questions up front to make sure we get the correct information at the front end to make it as smooth as possible for our installers on the day when they're installing our products. No such thing as a perfect safety solution. All we can try and do is minimise the risk. We're all humans after all, and we can't expect one person's understanding of awareness of health and safety to be exactly the same as everyone around them. So I guess all clients, I guess, and their inquiries, whether it's small or large, is unique and special because they obviously care about their people, they care about health and safety, and to be fair, everyone deserves to go home to their families at the end of the day.